Good morning, welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today I'm going to be making buljol and it's super easy. If you want to learn and if you want to try it, keep looking. For the buljol, I'll be using salted cod, saltfish that we call it in Trinidad. This one we caught ourselves when we were visiting my son in Newfoundland and we salted it and everything, so it's super yummy. All you do, you break it apart or you can crush it, whichever is easier for you. I just go like this and just pull it apart like that in whatever bite-sized pieces, very fine, whichever one suits you better. These are the condiments that I will be using for the buljol. It's optional, anything you want to add, it depends on the vegetables you can. So I cut up some cabbage really small, adds the flavor and it stretches it too if you have a big family. Tomatoes I diced. On peppers, it could be different colors of peppers, red, green, yellow, onions, green onions, carrots, garlic. There's one of my scorpion pepper that I love using. You don't have to put it if you don't like the hot stuff. And then we have the pimentos. The pimentos add a lot of flavor, but it's not very hot. So you just cut it up like this, yeah, to put it in. And you just throw it in. That adds a ton of flavor. And also avocado goes really well with it. Optional again if you would like that. I do. And we have thyme. Thyme adds amazing flavor to it. So I'll take you to the other step. So I'm going to assemble it. I'm just going to throw everything in the bowl that I had already prepped here. The cabbage, the carrots. You don't have to put everything. If you cut too much, you can always leave it for stir fry or whatever. Tomatoes, green onions, regular yellow onions, red peppers, garlic. Garlic is nice in it. And of course you can put more pimento and the thyme to shred it off the vine like this. You can leave a little piece on if you want, that's okay. And the pepper, I'm still not going to put a whole one, I'll just put a piece of it and then cut it really fine because it's like really hot with tons of flavor. And more of the pimento. And then touch your black pepper. Always open it on the wrong side, of course. You may have to add a dash of salt because the salt fish that I have here wasn't like salted really salt, so I'm gonna add a little bit, just a dash. Some olive oil. And toss together. That should do it. That's how easy it is to make Trinidad style buljol. Yummy. The bake is basically just like you need in flour for roti, and that I'll show you later on some of my videos. And you can use the same bake to fill like shack and bake, buljol, whatever you feel like doing. Put it in like that. Gotta turn it over really high before it gets too much cooked on one side so that it swells nice and brown. That's fry bake to go with the buljol. So I'm gonna show you how we usually have it. I fill it like this with the buljol. And optional is avocado. It makes it really creamy and nice if you like avocado, and if you don't have to. It goes like this, and that's it. Enjoy.